welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to mount a bookshelf by Delta Children. I don't know if you can see the paper over here, but this is what the bookshelf looks like. So before we head on with this video, if you are new here, welcome, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before I keep going. Alright guys, so let's get to it. so as you see, I did a little mistake. This piece is supposed to be in the back so that you can attach this to the wall. So I'm gonna take this piece off real quick and turn it around, but this is not a big deal, but this is very important to have anyways because it's for child-proof safety. So I really like this, so I'm just gonna take this off and switch it in the back. So if you're watching this whole video before, make sure that this piece is in the back and not in the front. Okay guys, so I finally fixed it. So the metal piece is in the back, so this is what we wanted, and here is the final result. I really love it. I'm so happy with it. So now the last step the last step is to put this screw on this metal piece against the wall in her bedroom. Alright guys, so we're gonna head to her bedroom and figure this out. Okay guys, so now the very last step is to put this screw into this metal piece against the wall. So let's do that right now. Okay, so that's it. So now I'm gonna fill this bookshelf with all her books and I'm gonna show you guys the final result. Alright guys, so this is my final result. I am so happy because I have more space for all the books that she's getting. We love to read over here, and I feel like this bookshelf is so much easier for her because she can just grab any book that she wants and it's just easier for her. So that's it for today. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, have a good day. Bye.